Guys, TikTok Shop is here, and if you're not using it, losing money and this incredible opportunity. And if you're someone who is already using TikTok Shop but didn't make a single sale yet, in this video I will tell you exactly how you can make money with TikTok Shop using influencer marketing. TikTok is not an entertainment channel anymore. It's a search engine, and now you can sell your product on TikTok. It's called TikTok Shop. It's just launched and it's an incredible opportunity for e-commerce brands and creators like you. And at the end of this video, you're going to know how to use it, how to make money using it, and how to scale your business using TikTok Shop with influencer marketing. If you want to know all of this and want a step-by-step instruction on how to use TikTok Shop, this is the only video you need. So let's start. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. And if you don't know me, myself Nish Latwar, you can call me Nish. And this is my first ever video, so please don't judge. Okay, straight to the point. First of all, what is a TikTok Shop? So, TikTok Shop helps e-commerce brands like you sell directly on TikTok using in-feed videos, live, and the showcase tags. So the first way is you start a live stream video on your TikTok and tag your product on it, and your viewer can directly tap on the product and purchase it without leaving the TikTok. And I don't know guys, if you can imagine it, how insane this part is. It's all done in one app. So that means there is virtually zero friction between the shopping experience of a person who is buying from you. And that means more impulse buys and less time for the customers to think a second thought on their purchase. And we all know that how hard it is become when customer came to a store but they get frustrated because of their experience using the using your website if it's not loaded sometimes. So they just do not want to buy that product. But now TikTok make this experience so seamless that they can directly buy from their own app. The next way is the shoppable videos. This is like the regular TikTok videos that you watch in your For You page and your feed. So you just post a regular videos and tag your product on it, and your customer can directly tap on the product and purchase it from the TikTok. So that's the one way. And finally, there is a product showcase method where a cute little catalog will come on and your customer just have to tap on this cute shopping bags and put the product on the shopping basket and purchases directly. So now you know about TikTok Shop. Now you must have the questions, how much followers do you need for TikTok Shop? Well, there is no followers needed. You can just start your TikTok Shop just right now. So the second question must be, is TikTok Shop free? Well, yes and no. TikTok Shop is completely free for the e-commerce brands and the creator who is using it. So there is no setup fees and there is no extra things taken from the buyers. And if this sounds good to you, you must want to know how much TikTok Shop take in the commission. Well, that's not a clear definition out there, but according to my research, there is like the 5% fees depending on the product to product. And honestly, it's not much as compared to Amazon where the commission fees is 6 to 12%. So if you're not a seller yet, you would want to have a store that you can link your TikTok page to, then lead over to the Shopify right now and sign up for an account. Link is in my description. Once you have your Shopify store up and TikTok is set up, you must want to connect this with your Shopify store. Then you can actually just go right ahead and connect your asset together and start making some magic. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please hit the like button. This is free for you, but it can boost my confidence and I can teach you how to start an e-commerce business and scale it with using marketing strategy and the brand building techniques. So yeah, feel free to subscribe the button and we can meet every week. Now the question would be, how do you access the TikTok shop? To access the TikTok shop as a seller, you're going to need to create a TikTok shop account and have an account approved. So here is how you can create a TikTok shop account. First, go to TikTok Seller Center, then sign up, then you're going to log in. Then you're going to choose to sign up with a TikTok account or with a phone number or email address, whatever works for you. And then you need to enter your information and hit next. Set up your shop warehouse pickup address and then return address, and then provide your business information, including your business name, registered business address, tax ID, as well as some other information. Then link your bank account. Then finally, you are going to submit your application for review. So once your application is approved, you are going to be able to access the TikTok Shop Seller Center and then start selling your product. You are just going to log in like this. Live shopping is absolutely taken off in Asia, but for America, no offense, they are way behind. And if you guys were watching it till now and you're like, wait, how you can use the TikTok liveable option? So here is the tea. TikTok live shopping experience is like a video creation format for the sellers and the creator. So you log in and you're being so cute to your customers and like, hey Nish, how are you? And you're like the personal connecting with the customers, and same side you're also telling the description of your product, like how good is your product is and how it's beneficial for them. Along with that, you're also offering a great offer to the customers, like the thing that will make them feel like, really? Are you really providing me these things? So that's from a sales perspective, but from the bad perspective, like they will be scrolling your video being in the bad, like not completely, but yeah, they will keep scrolling the videos, and then they just see you being so cute and everything, and they just said, okay, she's selling a great product, and they will just wanna check it out, and you're telling in a great way, so they can just tap on the product and purchase it. Done. That's it. So that's being said, now the main part is how you can scale your business using TikTok Shop from $1K to $1 million using just TikTok Shop. So with the name of the TikTok, this is so clear that influencer marketing really makes a big difference in TikTok. So that's why hashtag TikTok made me buy is so popular. So basically what you need to do is go to your TikTok Seller Center, then you need to go to the affiliate marketing tab and then find the creator. Here you can put the filters according to your requirement, then start finding the influencers. I would suggest go for micro-influencer in place of macro-influencer, because micro-influencers audience are more loyal to them and you will got your highly targeted audience. Once you get your influencer, start talking with them, build a relationship and send your product. And then they can create videos for you tagging your product, so the customers can directly buy from that video, directly tapping on the product and buying it from your TikTok shop. I know some of you might be running a dropshipping store and you would be like to know what could be the best product to sell on TikTok shop. Well, they are going to follow a very specific guideline. Guys, it's TikTok. People came here to watch the feed and scroll it. So you have to find something that can make them stop scrolling. So they need to be visually appealing, something that can use when creating a viral video. And they have got to be unique. They have got to be innovative. This is going to help you stand out from your competition. And yes, they have to be affordable, because most of TikTok users are Gen Z and millennials. And trust me, we really like good deals. We want good value product. And if you can find something that is already trending but not that much of saturated, then you can make good videos from that and make it a viral point and start making money. I know making money with the dropshipping is being so hard in 2023 as compared to the past times, because now the marketing way is completely different. But if you will combine the power of TikTok shop with the dropshipping, this could be an incredible opportunity for you to make millions. If you guys are excited about the TikTok shop and leveraging your business with influencer marketing and don't want to take a lot of headache, also don't want to pay a lot to the influencers, then you can check out my influencer marketing agency SocialNix, link in the description, where me and my team help the e-commerce business just like you in scaling their business with the help of influencer marketing strategy and brand awareness campaign. And if you find some valuable information in this video, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell if you want. So glad to see you today. Thank you for joining me and I will see you in the next one. Bye.